There is something inside you.
My precious little ones, just a few more days.
Something's in here. Almost. Oh.
One, two.
My baby! My egg! Somebody help!
Whee! Best ball ever.
Uh-oh! I didn't do it! I didn't!
Pete? Oh. Now that looks fun.
Too boring. Needs upgrading.
Let's take this apart. Off you go. Now for the steering wheel. Haha, all done.
Okay, now for the fun part.
Good helper. Almost done. Whoa! Whoa! Out of the way, everybody! Wild monkey coming through! Moo, teenagers! My tractor, what? Get back here!
Catch me if you can, old man.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Okay, little buddy. Operation Rainbow is a go!
Clean windows, happy home.
He can't see me.
Picasso would be jealous.
You painted my window! It's an improvement? I'm blue now.
Oh, I did not consent to this color! This is the worst Tuesday ever.
I'm going to catch you eventually.
Definite!
Oh. You stole my egg, you destroyed my tractor, you painted my house.
Maybe I went a little too far. My baby! You found my baby! Beep, beep.
My little one, I was so worried.
I found her egg and she hatched. I kept her safe. I'm sorry about everything else. Your trouble, monkey, but you brought my little chick back, so we'll call it even this time.
Almost got it. Just one more. Ugh.
This goes here, I think.
Well, wow, it actually works.
Better than before?
Don't push it.
Just ask next time, okay?
I'll try.
Good morning, my beautiful babies. Not long now.
Ooh, colorful round things. What are those? I must investigate.
You know she can see you, right?
I'm invisible!
It's warm and round and perfect. I am keeping all of these.
Okay, that is pretty good.
Those are the hen's eggs.
I don't care. They are my new favorite round things.
It is time to play.
There is something inside you.
You were alive in there? Where are my eggs? My eggs? My eggs are gone! My baby's gone, stolen!
Now let's just look around first. Maybe the monkey has them. Saw it happen. Didn't say anything. My mistake.
Track the monkey.
I was going to give them back. I didn't know what they were. I'm sorry. I really thought they were toys, round bouncy toys. I didn't know. I promise.
I am glad they are safe.
Can Monkey visit me sometimes?
Fine, Monkey can visit.
Welcome to the farm.
Thank you.
Hey there, little ones. Ready for some fun? Let's see who can hop the highest. You're pretty fast, but I'm faster.
Don't touch the cake, everyone. It's for tonight.
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Just a little wider.
Beep. Shh. Covert operation. Just a little higher.
Hee hee! Cake time! Gotcha! Whoa, heavy! Wobble! Jump now! Nailed it.
No! Don't do it! You have the cake! Walk away! Walk away!
Oh.
Okay, that was loud. Huh, another one. Okay, well, Well, since I'm already here.
Beautiful. This is the best day of my life.
Hey, time for fun. Cake goes here. Pantry time. Ooh, cereal. Whoops. Kaboom. Coughing and flour cloud. Totally worth it. Hoo-ah! Oh, not the face.
egg is so sticky. I know. I'll use honey to wash it off. Come on, open. Whoa, sticky disaster everywhere. I can't. I'm stuck to myself. The cake, I left it on the table. It's fine. Still perfect. Okay. Cake secured. Let's go before No, that's the decoration. Peep. I'll clean that up. Probably.
Is that strawberry frosting?
It is. I can smell it.
Back! This is my cake! I stole it fair and square! Fair and square? You just took it! Oh, wow. That's incredible.
This is the best moment of my life.
That's my cake, you thieves! You're the thief! You stole it first! It's gone. The whole thing. We ate all of it. Happy birthday, Farmer MacDonald? Oh no.
Who ate my birthday cake? That cake took me 3 days to make.
It was me. I stole it. I wrecked your kitchen. I ate your birthday cake. I'm really sorry.
"3 days, monkey. I was making it for the whole farm. Everyone was supposed to celebrate together. We all ate it, farmer. It was sorriest. But we shouldn't have."
Farmer, give me 1 hour. I'm gonna bake you a new cake. A better one.
You? Bake? You just destroyed my entire kitchen.
Yeah, but now I know where everything is.
All right, Team Operation Birthday is on. Rosy flour, Bella mixing, Goldie eggs, chick moral support. More sugar, less sugar, that's too much. Wait, where's the butter? Who ate the butter? No one.
Okay, time to frost our lopsided masterpiece.
Chirp, me first.
I'll make a berry pattern.
Moo! I'll lick it smooth.
I'll add the flowers. It's not perfect, but it's made with love and a lot of mess.
1 candle, 1 wish. Make it good.
That's the same candle from my original cake.
Happy birthday, dear farmer. Happy birthday to you.
Hee hee. Cake time.
All right, here we go.
Yummy cake. Same time next year?
Just ask first next time.
Don't do that.
What have you done?
Hooks. You want some of this, little one? Here you go. Enjoy it. That's the good stuff.
Mine now. Go, go, go.
Hee hee! Slam! Hug on beep beep! Wee! Go go!
My tractor! She took my tractor!
This thing does whatever it wants. Whee! Crash time! Nothing stops us.
Was that the tractor?
That's fire! Oh no, I need water!
Water fixes everything, right?
Okay, still fixing. Elmo stove. Nope. Try again.
Who's the mechanic now? That's my tractor!
You took my tractor, broke my farm, set my tractor on fire.
I fixed the fire part.
You broke it, you fix it, all of it, by hand.
That's going to take forever.
Should have thought of that before you stole my tractor.
This is way harder than breaking it. Heave ho! Sniff sniff. Okay, nails time. Ow, youch, my finger! Stupid hammer. Back to work.
Wrong color, try again. You're a chicken, not an interior designer. Come on, do it like it was before.
You'd better lend a hand instead of blabbing while I'm busy.
Hurry up then.
All right, sheesh.
I'm sorry, girl. You didn't deserve this.
Perfect. No one will know.
My corn! Get back here! You little thief!
Just this one. I'll be back for you.
I will catch you one day!
is the biggest egg I've ever seen.
You are coming with me.
I'm basically a genius.
Get away from my egg.
Why did I take the egg?
Oh no!
That's not good.
Mama?
Ow, stop! Ow, stop! Ow!
Ow! Stop! Ow! No, asshole!
Now you know how it feels to have something precious taken from you.
Sorry, I had no idea your baby was in there.
Stealing doesn't pay, but sometimes it hatches.
Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. I will help you. Just wait here.
Not again. Not again.
Hold still, this is going to be okay.
Okay, we're doing this.
You found him in the trap.
Stay here with the baby. Don't worry, I know where your cub is. I'll take you to him.
Follow me. I'll take you to your cub.
is my baby?
My kid! Where is my kid?
My baby. My baby.
We will save them.
When I find whoever did this!
Focus.
What is that?
I am so happy!
I am here, my dear.
I just wanted animals of my own. My own farm.
You built this yourself?
You're good at building animal pens, but stealing is wrong. So how about this? Come to our farm, help me around, and you'll always get to play with the animals.
Thank you. One day I'll become a farmer too.
My tractor. Oh, I'll find you.
I'll get you out.
Thank you.
She needed help.